Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best caulk tube storage is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of home improvement and professional contracting, yet it significantly impacts the longevity and usability of your caulk tubes. Many people don't realize that improper storage can lead to dried out, unusable caulk, wasting money and time. In this video, we will explore various storage solutions, from simple DIY methods to specialized caulk tube holders, helping you choose the best option to keep your caulk fresh and ready to use whenever you need it, saving you money and frustration in the long run. Number 5. AirTite Caulk Tube Preserver. Say goodbye to dried out caulk tubes. This innovative preserver keeps your caulk fresh and usable for much longer, saving you time and money. It's water resistant, so it protects your caulk from humidity and keeps it effective, even in damp conditions. The clear design lets you easily see how much caulk you have left. No more surprises. Made from durable acrylic, it provides a secure and long-lasting fit for your caulk tubes. It's ideal for preserving caulk tubes used on walls, ensuring you always have the perfect seal. Get 2 airtight preservers to keep all your caulk tubes fresh and ready to use. Order yours today. What we like. It keeps your caulk fresh and usable for longer, protecting it from moisture. The clear design lets you monitor caulk levels easily. If you need a durable and reliable solution for storing your wall caulk, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These pay for themselves with the savings you're going to get from no more wasted tubes of caulk. The rod goes in the open tip of the caulk tube, preventing the product from hardening and blocking the tip. When the canister is twisted tightly, close the gaskets, press against and seal the caulk tube. That prevents outgassing from both top and bottom of open tube products. Number 4. AirTite Caulking Tube Preserver. Tired of your caulking tubes drying out before you finish the job? AirTite is here to solve that problem. It keeps your caulks, adhesives, and sealants fresh and usable for longer than any other product on the market. Say goodbye to waste. Unlike other products, it seals both the top and the bottom of the tube, providing a complete airtight seal. It works with caulks, adhesives, roofing tars, grouts, and sealants. It's the ultimate multi-purpose tube sealer. No more ruined car seats, rugs, or tools. It keeps everything clean and prevents messy spills. It's tough and built to last. It won't crack or break if dropped, making it perfect for any job site. What we like. This one extends the life of your caulking products better than any other on the market and seals both ends of the tube. It works with various materials, preventing messes. If you're looking for a tough and versatile option that can handle different materials, this is for you. What people say. My caulk was not dried out almost 2 months later when I needed it again. I tried all the tricks to make caulk last, they all don't work. This prevents that, which is why it works. I have found it is still good after more than 6 months. Sure beats the nail screw and duct tape I was using before. About 14 months later I installed a new aluminum storm door and needed to chalk around the frame. I used the tube stored in the airtight container in my chalking gun and it was perfectly preserved. Number 3. Caulk Saver Cap Kit. Tired of wasting caulk? This kit keeps your tubes fresh and prevents drying out. It's easy to use and saves you money. You get 50 reusable caulk caps, 2 piercing needles, and 2 caulk nozzles. Everything you need to keep your caulk fresh and your projects running smoothly. The caps are made of durable latex for a great seal, while the needles are stainless steel for long-lasting use. It's built to last. Simply place it over the tube, roll it down to seal, and roll it back up when you're ready to use it again. It's that easy. These caps are reusable, keeping your caulk, paint, glue, and more fresh for longer. Say goodbye to wasted materials. It works with almost any size tube or bottle. The included needles and nozzles make your projects even easier to complete. What we like. You get 50 reusable caps, plus piercing needles and nozzles. They fit almost all caulk tubes and keep your materials fresh for a long time. If you're on a budget and need a large quantity of caps for various tubes, this is a great value option. What people say. It worked quite well. I'm getting more life out of some little squeezed tubes of adhesive and caulk as well. It is easy to put the rubber covers on, and the seal breakers are also useful. These actually work well, and seal the caulk tube back for another use later. Also good for glue dispensers which never seem to have tight enough caps. If you roll them off carefully, you can reuse them once or twice. This resembles a tight and snug balloon that fits over nozzle of caulk. Great concept if it works long term. Number 2. Seal a Tube Caulk Saver Large. Tired of wasting caulk? This innovative tool keeps your tubes fresh and prevents drying out. It's the perfect solution for any DIY project. It's designed to fit a variety of caulk tubes, saving you money and reducing waste. Get more use out of every tube. Its vibrant color makes it easy to spot in your toolbox or workshop. You'll always know where it is when you need it. Simply attach it to the end of your caulk tube. It creates an airtight seal, keeping the caulk soft and usable for longer. This is a smart, cost-effective way to extend the life of your caulk. It's a must-have for homeowners and professionals alike. It's easy to use, durable, and reusable. Say goodbye to dried-out caulk and hello to savings. What we like. It's a large, durable caulk saver, designed for easy use. It ensures a tight seal to keep your caulk fresh. If you need a simple, effective, and long-lasting solution, this is a good option for you. What people say. You can open a tube of caulk, put the seal tube in and save the rest of the tube for later. I had one in for over 6 mths. And the caulk was still good. What I really like is the plug extends the full length and removes any solidified material. They go in easily and keep the caulk from hardening. No more blobs of hardened caulk blocking the end of the tube. Number 1. AirTite Caulking Tube Sealer, 6-pack. Tired of wasting half-used tubes of caulking? It seals and preserves your open tubes, saving you time and money. This innovative product keeps your caulking fresh and usable for longer. It's the simple solution to a common problem. It creates an airtight seal, preventing the caulking from drying out. Just attach it to the tube and you're good to go. This 6-pack provides ample protection for all your caulking projects. You'll always have the right sealant on hand. Simply attach it to the tube after each use. It's that easy to keep your caulking fresh and ready to use. Don't let dried out caulking ruin your projects. It's the smart way to keep your caulking fresh and ready to use. What we like. This convenient 6-pack seals and preserves open caulking tubes. It's a simple and effective way to keep your caulk fresh. If you frequently use caulk and want a bulk option for long-term storage, this is a great choice. What people say. These seem perfect. I can reuse caulking of all sorts over a year after opening. I love having access to multiple open tubes of product for my caulking gun. I bought these to stop wasting so much caulk. I'm glad I did, because I've already seen the benefit from them. Super easy to seal your used caulk and required practically zero effort to use that same caulk many days later. Caulking was still good as new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.